Hello, welcome back to Best Case Tutorials. Today we are going to look at doing a cram down for Chapter 13 cases. This is Attorney Lori Kornblum. I've created this for PLegal 127 debtor-creditor at MATC, but as always you are welcome to use it. So the first question is, we are going to look at our case of Nick and Pearl Murphy again, and this applies to secured claims. Now, according to the bankruptcy code, you can only use a cram down for secured claims that are for purchase money security for consumer goods where they've purchased them over a year ago. So that would apply to, in this case, a Macy's department store claim. In this case, the Murphys purchased some dining room furniture at Macy's. They charged $6,000, and now they are finding the market value of the furniture is only $4,000. So they want to reduce the value of the furniture to its present interest. So you can't just do that. You have to actually compensate the creditor. A cram down is what's also called a strip off or a strip down, which is the right of the bankruptcy debtor to reduce the value of some secured claims to the present value of the security. So you would go into the Form 22 means test and you would calculate the payment. Now in this case, although the loan balance is $6,000, if we put $6,000 in and we calculate the payment, then we have zero interest rate and we might say okay, but we would end up paying the full $6,000 back over the course of 60 months with a $100 payment. So to cram it down, we hit calculate the payment and we put in the secured portion of the loan, which is $4,000. There's no arrearage in this case. We're still going to do 60 months, but the interest rate is going to be something between what the current rate of interest is and something to compensate the creditor for the debt. And generally, you will have to determine that from a legal perspective, not from this drafting perspective. So we're going to say the interest rate is 8% in this case, and we're going to calculate the monthly payment. So the monthly payment is going to be $81.11. So what happens to the additional amount? We're going to go into the Chapter 13 plan, and the secured portion is going to be paid pro rata with $4,000 at the interest rate of 8%, which we have calculated. Sorry, I said it was okay, and it's really not. Then we still have a non-secured portion, which is $2,000, and we are going to put that in unsecured general non-priority. And then we will say okay. And that is how you do a cram down of a consumer debt, assuming that the debt is eligible for cram down treatment. And that ends this sharing session.